Today we're going to make a super elegant and delicious salad together. Creamy potato salad. This salad is as soft and fluffy as cotton. So, without any delay, let's get started. First, wash the potatoes and boil them. Make sure to use very small-sized potatoes. I've already boiled mine, let them cool, and peeled off the skin. Now it's time to prepare our salad dressing. We'll need some sour cream, mustard, chopped dill, salt, pepper, and a squeeze of lemon juice. Once the dressing is ready, pour it over the potatoes and mix everything together. For garnish, I'm using green peas and radishes. Perfect. It's not only super tasty and healthy, but also simple and exciting to make. Your likes and subscriptions give us the motivation to create even better videos. So please, don't forget to support us.